Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the VSVO Face Open Zentai Spandex Bodysuit, the best Frozone costume for any Incredibles fan. Whether you're gearing up for a cosplay event, Halloween party, or just love the look of this sleek, futuristic suit, this bodysuit has you covered. Made from high-quality spandex, this suit offers a comfortable and stretchy fit. It's designed to fit a wide range of body types, thanks to its four-way stretch fabric. The design is simple but striking, a full-body bodysuit with an open face, allowing you to breathe easy while still rocking that superhero vibe. Whether you're playing Frozone from the Incredibles or creating your own superhero persona, this bodysuit is a fantastic option. The suit comes with a zipper in the back, which makes it easy to put on and take off, even if you're in a rush. Its versatility allows it to be worn by both men and women, and with its unisex design, it's a great choice for anyone looking to embody their favorite character. The bodysuit is available in multiple sizes, so you can find the perfect fit, whether you're small or large. In terms of color, the suit is available in multiple shades like sky blue, black, and even a brown color. While some users have pointed out slight variations in color, it still maintains that cool, superhero look. The material is stretchy enough to hug your body perfectly, offering a sleek appearance without restricting movement. Whether you're doing the Frozone freeze pose or running around at a party, you won't feel held back. Another great feature of the VSVO bodysuit is its breathability. Thanks to the spandex material, it allows air to flow freely, making it comfortable enough to wear for long periods without overheating. And with the durable stitching, you can expect it to hold up to multiple uses, whether it's for a casual costume party or a full-on cosplay event. The bodysuit also comes with a handy size chart, so you can choose the perfect size. From small to XXL, there's an option for nearly every body type, and because the material stretches, it will conform to your shape comfortably. If you're in between sizes, you might want to consider ordering one size up for that extra comfort. At just under $30, this bodysuit is an affordable option for anyone looking to transform into their favorite superhero. It's got the quality you need, the comfort you want, and the fit that works. The VSVO Face Open Zentai Spandex Bodysuit really stands out as one of the best Frozone costumes out there. So if you're looking to bring Frozone to life or create your own superhero look, the VSVO Face Open Zentai Spandex Bodysuit is your go-to choice. Grab it today and get ready to turn heads at your next event. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products around.